What if the secret to wealth isn't working harder, but thinking smarter? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the lessons that could change how you see money forever. Let's dive in. Welcome to Mind Over Money, where we explore the mindset and strategies that lead to real financial freedom. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. On one path, there's security, stability, and the comfort of a 9-to-5 job. On the other, there's uncertainty, risk, but the promise of freedom, wealth, and independence. Which path would you take? The choice that defines your future. What if I told you that the difference between financial success and struggle isn't how hard you work, but how you think? This is the story of two men, two fathers. One embraced comfort, the other embraced risk. One worked for money, the other made money work for him. In Robert Kiyosaki's best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the author reveals the contrasting financial philosophies of two pivotal figures in his life: his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. But what do these two dads teach us about money, success, and freedom? Let's break it down. The poor dad, Kiyosaki's real father, was the embodiment of traditional thinking. He believed in working hard, earning a steady paycheck, and saving a little on the side. He thought that job security was the key to a stable future. Like many of us, he followed the path most of society believes is the only way. Study hard, get a degree, land a well-paying job. But there was a problem. No matter how much he worked, the bills kept piling up. He had no real wealth, only a paycheck and debt to show for his efforts. Then there's the rich dad, a self-made entrepreneur who taught Kiyosaki a completely different way of thinking. He believed in investing, building assets, and understanding how money flows. Wealth isn't built by earning money. It's built by acquiring assets, things that put money in your pocket, like real estate, businesses, or investments. The rich dad explained that most people, like poor dad, get caught up in liabilities, things that cost them money, such as big houses, cars, and personal debts. They live in a cycle of working for a paycheck to pay for things that don't generate wealth. But real wealth comes from assets that work for you. The wealthy don't work for money. They make money work for them. So, why do most people stay stuck in the rat race? The answer is mindset. The poor dad believed that working hard and saving was the key to financial success. But the rich dad knew that financial education was the real key. Understanding how money works, how investments work, how businesses work. That's what unlocks freedom. The rich focus on learning and growing, while the poor continue to rely on their job to make ends meet. This choice, this mindset shift, is where your future begins. Because here's the truth you need to hear today. Your wealth is determined not by how much you earn, but by what you own and how you think. Do you control your money, or does your money control you? The question is simple. Will you take the safe route of working for a paycheck, or will you choose to take control to build wealth, to embrace the mindset that leads to true financial freedom? Remember, it's not about the money you make, it's about the mindset you have. And that, my friend, can change everything. So, what are you waiting for? The choice is yours, and it starts with one thing: your mind. Stay in the rat race or make your money work for you. Hit subscribe and start mastering your mindset and your money. Mind over money. Your future starts today.